What's up, everyone? It's Gabby Trades here, and welcome back to the channel. Well, another trade that I forgot to tell you about yesterday. Hopefully the music is okay. I'm just looking at actually a current gold trade that I just entered now, just before setting up the stream, because I thought it's a good idea to be hedged, since I kind of opened my MT5 and I was like, oh my god, I actually have the long from yesterday. I forgot about that. I completely forgot about that, because I know we had the long up here and that I closed. Then I didn't take a short, but I was expecting for price to react from a level here, so I had a limit order that I completely forgot I have. So that's going pretty well right now as I'm looking at it. But honestly, we have liquidity on both sides, and we're pretty much about to get the unemployment rates right now. So okay, expected 214k and actual 213. So let's see if that is going to drop gold a little bit right now or not. If I'm going to be taken out at break even, because I already secured that position because I didn't want to have it running before. I didn't want to have it running, you know, without stop loss before news, but it's probably going to be taken out at break even. But I honestly don't mind, because I have the two longs running right now, one from 5k and the other one from yesterday. So let's see. But the reason I took that short was because I wanted to be kind of hedged just in case price decides to do something, since we still have lots of liquidity to the upside. So I'm still targeting high. Let's see, that's going to take me out at break even probably right about. Is it or is it not going to? Probably, like, by the looks of it. If it reverses probably around 5177, I'm good. But anything 5177.77 is my entry. I'm gonna be out. Good morning, Captain JJ. Panayot Svetkov, where do you trade? I trade on Vantage. I trade on my phone. I don't know if you can see the positions going. God damn it. I don't know if you can see them, but so I'm still in the short. Let's see, a little bit premature trade of me as usual. You know, I like to wait till New York is open, but I was like, this was a good formation, like on the 1 minute time frame. You know, when I see that, when I see the weakness, I was like, okay, this could be potentially something. So that's why I entered it. And also I kind of want to be hedged for the reason that I was looking at it earlier. So I was out with Annie, and then I didn't look at any charts whatsoever, but mainly focus on gold today, honestly, because Bitcoin has liquidity to the upside. But for me, the trade I concluded up here yesterday, and then it retraced the whole move, would have taken me out at break even for sure. So I'm glad I closed the profits, but now I'm not exposed to that long anymore. And now not only do we have this liquidity at 71.3, but we also have it up here at 71.8 approximately. So let's see, everyone, make sure to hit the like button. Welcome. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're watching the daily pre-market updates. Most importantly, you guys, I need you, all of you, to be on Discord for my daily pre-market updates. I post them first on Discord for everyone. If you want to get your free access, I'll keep repeating it until all of you guys come and claim your free VIP role. So once you join Discord, not only you're going to get the PDF, but you also can claim your free VIP role. The instructions are on Discord. It's really easy to do. But anyways, let's see if this is going to work out. I'm kind of curious. I want to watch it right now to see if we're gonna get something, but there is a lot of demand here, and with this candle more demand is showing. Very tricky. It's not gonna be that easy with gold, right? Entering a trade just before market open is always tricky, but at least we have the two longs. I have the two longs running, so that's good. Small hedge from my side, but let's see. There's also Asia high here that might be rejecting. What are you guys trading today? Silver is also on the move up. I kind of like the fact that it rejected our SR flip zone at 83.9. Very important, right? You want to be trading above 83.9. You don't want to be trading below, because if we had lost that zone yesterday, by the way, I don't know why I didn't take along here. What time was that? That was yesterday, actually, in the PM before Asia, so there is no way I'm not trading at that time. Point is, if we had lost 83.9 for silver, that's not good, because it's a quick way down to 79.1. And that didn't happen. So good stuff. That's looking kind of all right for now, to be fair, for silver. You know, gold's very tricky right now. Gold's very tricky. It really could sell off. It really could just break 5237. The reason is the current range, right? The current range. This is the mini range that we're dealt with right now. And as you can see here, again, 0.5 rejection. That's very bullish usually, right? But also you need to remember you're at 0.786, so you might drop. But it's kind of so funny. It's funny because here you're getting another range. Yes, that's bullish range, but on the higher picture you have a bearish range that's holding quite nicely. Let's see. The position I'm currently in is still holding. We did get a secondary rejection here at the Asia high, so let's see. Let's see. Whichever way is a good hedge against the two longs that I have right now, just in case we fail completely here with price. So the story, you guys, the main story, right, is oil. Again, we had a massive explosion on oil again, very inflationary. So 95 is the resistance point that we spoke about. And indeed, it is on a weekly time frame, massive resistance for oil. So let's see, we're trading below it right now. But like we said in the pre-market update, anything above 80 is not good. And unfortunately, lower time frame now, this top is a high. So we're not very far from $120 on oil. Like, that's literally on the table. And unfortunately, oil going up is not good for anything else. Like, when oil goes up, it's not like the S&P is gonna go up. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not. There is this negative correlation. So it's not good, right? Unless you're making life-changing money with the move here on on oil. Besides that, it's not very favorable for anything else. All right, so we're currently into, what is that? So oil, gold opened. Gold opening hours are different, right? Gold opening hours are different. 8:20 is the time we're looking at, and as you can see, 8:20, we're seeing a move up, but we're rejecting at kind of an important area right now. So let's see. This could be a fail, right? Because last time we rejected from the same area. So this is a 5-minute SR flip zone here. Gabby Trades indicator. You guys, please get the indicators. You have 30 days for free. You have no excuse not to get them. But anyways, that's the 5-minute SR flip zone, which we failed yesterday, right? Down to the true week open, down to the 0.5 of the current trading range. And then yeah, we kind of beat it again, and now we're at it. We're right at it back again. So we failed it just now, and as we're speaking on this stream, we're retesting that choke point at the moment. So and we're failing. Okay, so this short might work. Let's see. But I think it's important for you guys to, to be here to watch me trade live. I know I never did it before. The reason I didn't do it is because, like I said yesterday, we had so many coins to talk about and analysis to do and like to plan in advance. And now it's just really trade time, because forex is just active all the time. To answer your question, where do you trade? I trade on Vantage. Like, if you come on Discord, I have a link there. if you want, or I can send it to you right now, potentially, but not like in the middle of a trade, you know. Not in the middle of the trade, but I could send it to you guys. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I have it somewhere on Discord as well. Let me just do search. Yeah, here it is. What do I need to do though? I think I need to go on. Hold on. Like this. And get on the live. And I'll send you the link, guys. Once I get on the live. Hold on. Because I haven't put it in the description box. But where is it? Here it is. And I'm also due to make a video for you guys on how to set up your MetaTrader and everything. So don't worry, I'll make it. Maybe I'll do it this weekend. The reason why I've been postponing it, because I want to have like an editor also have a look at it and make it a little bit more interesting for you guys to watch, because it's gonna be like, I'm just gonna like screen record my phone and explain to you how you can set up your MetaTrader so you can trade gold on Vantage. You can trade anything, actually. You can trade S&P 500, you know, stocks, whatever you guys want. CFDs, basically. So with leverage, right? Depending where you are. Let's see. I'm kind of curious if this trade is gonna work out. I'm kind of curious. Oh, guess who's banging my line? The pet insurance again. So funny. So far we're holding. We're holding, but let's see. BTC without MAM today. Okay, if you're saying BTC without a MAM, we're gonna, yeah, so pretty much it looks like this is the current target, 71.2, 71.3. Unfortunately, I'm not long anymore on it. It looks like also we have a higher target as well. This high, I think it was the 15-minute. The problematic side of all of this is that true week open is also target. So it's kind of like a disgusting range at the moment, and the highs and the lows are a target. So very difficult to get positioned on that today. Pretty much similar story to gold, honestly. It's very hard. Like if you're like looking to position yourself now for, you know, directional is kind of hard. It's kind of hard because it's really like in between levels at the moment. It could really go two ways. So yeah, let's just watch this develop. Demand is showing itself. It's probably going to be taken out at break even, this one, I have a feeling. Then I have to look for a second one. Yes, everyone, make sure to hit the like button. Cat's crashing out already in the other room. So funny, man. Yeah, it's not gonna be that easy just pre-market, right? They're not gonna just run it one directional pre-market. Very hard. They might even take it up here and then send it back lower. But I've already placed my stop at break even, and I don't think I'm gonna change that for now. We have the next 15-minute candle just opening right now in front of our eyes. So let's see. They're pushing it higher. Locally making higher highs and higher lows. So let's see. Let's see. We haven't really picked up on volatility yet, so let's see. Kind of happy whichever way develops currently due to my positioning, but it's still It would be nice if it plays out. You kind of want to see your trades play out. Do you know what I mean? But pre-market is gonna be it's gonna be a bit difficult for sure. Let's see. Come on. So how are you guys doing? Good morning for everyone that's just waking up. Yeah, we have this relatively equal highs, just slightly below entry down here. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's look at the development of the 15-minute. Demand's holding. We have nothing to say about that. Silver is up 1.55 on the day. Euro USD kind of down. It's gonna be crazy if Bitcoin actually reverses here. Like looking at MicroStrategy, they've reached like all the levels that I was interested in. You know, the weekly SR flip zone, you know, the daily, we stopped the daily quite nicely. So it has really reached all the levels that I was interested in. Oh, we're probably gonna get out at break even here on gold, it seems like. Yep, that's it. Out. I'm out. All right, so that's done. Okay, let's see what the other opportunities are going to be here. I do want to see the high snipe though up here, but if it continues high up, it's probably going to be good for both of the long entries that I have opened right now. It's going to be real nice if we can get 5238 today. That'll make me really happy with the two entries I have running here. But like I said, if it starts rejecting here, that'll be probably a situation where I'm gonna be pissed off a little bit. Let's look at Bitcoin. Yeah, forging up, so it's probably gonna grab the liquidity as well. Did anyone manage to catch a long from True Week Open? Talking to the RTM students, of course. They know what I'm talking about. Let's see, dude. Like, honestly, Bitcoin, this is not bad at all. Like, after the extension, let's clear the chart a little bit here. What else can we clean? I think that's it. I don't want more. Honestly, the way the range has developed on Bitcoin, it looks kind of bullish to me. I'm not gonna lie. Like there is a lot of demand that has shown. Dottie's at work listening. That's so funny. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Welcome, Dottie. Dottie, you know what I did, man? I actually took a long. I had a long order on gold that I forgot about yesterday. So same story. Like yesterday's stream, I had a trade that I forgot about. Today's the same thing. So this is a trade down here from True Week Open, and also this area of interest that I had. So that's running quite nicely at the moment. I wanted to snap all these highs. Like, look at that. Isn't that just great? It's so good. And like, if you look at these highs, and you also have the double liquidity up here, like this could be so good for me today. Like this week trades have been so good. Like, knock on wood, we did really well. I did really well. this week. Besides Monday, oh my God, if I didn't screw up Monday, it would have been a generational week for me with the second long at like 50,045 that I closed like in the middle of nowhere because I got scared on Monday. Like, how stupid of me. Like, I know I shouldn't even look at the charts on Monday. You know, there's lots of people, they're trading on Monday, they're doing great, but just me personally, historically, I don't have that much success on Monday. Tommy is long. Okay, great. Love to hear it because Tommy is part of the RTM course. Guys, you have a monthly membership now. You need to get it. All right. I made the website for you. I made everything for you. Make sure to get the stuff. The indicators, you have them for free for 30 days. So don't miss on that. Okay, cool. Yes, and don't forget to hit the like. Thank you, Stanimir. So that would be nice. That's gold again. Why did I move this? I never kind of opened like two different charts around here, but now I opened a few windows here, so it's a little bit easier. Very tricky, very tricky, very tricky. Unless you have like a sniper entry at true week open, very hard. And if you're like me, if you put your stops to break even, because I do that, I protect a lot. Which, you know, costs me a lot of profits, but also when it doesn't work, it's very nice. Look at these highs. Like, all of this has to get tagged today. If it doesn't, I'll be so surprised. Like, look at these highs over here, all of these stacked highs, like all of that, these two, liquidity at the high. Like, it's just, honestly, if they reverse it out of nowhere here, it's probably going to be a massive manipulation. I'm going to have to look for extra long. But for now, it's good. Is the 15 liquidity a little worrying also? 50 fib. At 5k-ish. 5k-ish, you mean down here? Was it a higher time frame? I forgot. You mean the 5k down here? It could be sniped, honestly. Like, let's not forget where we are. We're coming from the 0.786. Like, it could be sniped. But so far, for a bearish leg, we've retraced quite a bit. We've retraced quite a bit. Yeah, the sell was from 0.786, obviously, right? RTM model theory, get your free PDF. Don't want to say it 5,000 times, but, you know, it could be sniped. Indeed. Let's hope not. Let's hope at least we get some targets, right? Like, I'd be happy, if price moves up, takes the highs, trades above 5,237, I'll probably close a little bit from the second long, and then the first one I'm gonna leave it still running because it could be really good. Because overall, we have to remember, still we're coming from the 0.5. Like, this could really do something like this. And looking at silver, we're holding so nicely. Like, we're not trading below the, like, look, 87. Here we go, right? This is it, level by level, all the time. Holding 83.9, this was a perfect long. I didn't take it because I can't see all the charts that are existing, but the fact that we're holding this, for me, it's a no-brainer. 93.6, like, at least, or these highs over here should be a target. Look at them. Look at them. Exposed, right? They could be a target. So, you know, we have a little bit of a potential for a, you know, let's mark it actually. Right? This is all stuff that we teach in the RTM, but potential reaction around 90, what is that? Between 91.2, 91.9, potential reaction here. For most probably continuation to 93. Could be a sell zone from there for sure. You never know. But this is the kind of things like on silver. So silver starting to recover a little bit. It's holding. Demand is kind of like showing its hands. So you know what? I like to see that. But obviously we have to be very careful because you know what's happening with oil, and you know that oil wants to get that high up here. So that's dangerous. Hi, Gabby. Good morning. New to your stream, and it's been great so far. Is there any way we could use your indicators? Hi, Mano. First of all, welcome to the stream. So happy to have you here. Love to have new people. We've been doing this for over a year now, so make sure, first of all, we had so many links before, but we don't have them anymore. So what instead I did is I put a website, which is gabbytrades.com, and that's where you can get the indicators. And now I'm developing also indicator for the RTM specific system that we trade with the help of one of our members. So this is my trading model here. With the monthly membership, you can start learning it. The indicators, you just click here, you sign up on WOP, get the yearly sign up for the yearly, and you get 30 days for free. And then if you want to cancel it, you cancel it, but just test them for 30 days. And then you have the free Discord community. You need to get on there and get your VIP access. It's really simple, you guys. I don't know if I can share it, dude. Honestly, I don't know if I can do it. I probably can, but I'm usually like very dumb with these things, and I don't want to mess things up. See, it doesn't even give me an option. Like I don't know why I can't do it. But anyways, when you come on Discord, we do the daily updates on Discord and everything, which is very helpful because my community gets the sauce first, right? Now I lost everything. Hold on. This is the stream platform. Put it on the side, then get the screen over here. All right. I got it. Keep your eyes on gold. Oh, what's happening? Yeah, this is worrying me down here. It is worrying me. I do want to take a short on this. This is annoying. Still a bit early. It's still a bit early for me. It's still a bit early. Can't do it yet. Sorry. Might be making a huge mistake. But I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not entering before market open. Let's just assess everything for 1 second. Relax, okay? Let's just assess. So we have the double liquidity formation. We just took the high of the liquidity. Remove that, please, for one minute. We have 1 minute till the next 15-minute candle opens. We are in an area of supply. There is no deny of that. We are currently reacting bullishly from this leg that has broken this high over here. Look at all these candles. They're all bullish. So this is a retracement move, right? It's reacting here from the last breaker block or order block, whatever, from the leg down. So that's now a breaker, right? That you're reacting bullishly from. You have an SR flip zone on the 3-minute that you're also reacting from. Bearishly, but however the structure is bullish on a lower time frame. Okay, so we're assessing what's happening right now. We're about to open the next 15-minute candle, and it's going to be pretty telling. All right, here we go. Here we go. I don't want to lose the second long like Philip. Gabby, your analysis is great and the market read also, but people don't know what to do with that. They often need explanation or where to enter trade with a reason why. I don't see these on your streams. Well, that's a false statement, Philip. And first of all, I'm not here to provide any financial advice. I'm not here to manage your trades. You cannot do what I do, I guarantee you, without having taken the mentorship. The mentorship is consistent of hours and hours of me explaining what I do. And some people need to watch these videos like 15,000 times before they can actually implement something on their chart. So if you're looking for someone to manage your capital, dude, you need to go to like an investment firm and be like, here you go, here's $1 million, give me 1% return at the end of the year, and let them do that, you know? Because the way I'm going in these entries right now, you don't know how I use my capital. You have no idea, right? Even if I enter and I put you like, even if I say, okay, oh, this is 1 to 4. No, it's not 1 to 4, right? It's not 1 to 4. This trade over, or 1 to 4.6. Like there are so many things that there is no way for you to understand. You need to learn what I do. You need to learn how I read the markets. I'm not coming here live to show you how to make you enter a trade. Like, that's not what I do. What I'm doing is I am doing what I do, and I'm having you get a glimpse into what I do and how I do it, how I think, how I see the charts and the current price action, because that knowledge is invaluable. That's like sitting with someone in a hedge fund and watching them trade all day. Like that's experience one-on-one, you know? It's one thing to watch, it's another thing to implement. You don't know what's happening in my head. I guarantee you, most of the traders cannot do that, right? I have to come on the live stream. I have a camera in front of me. I have 2 lights. I have a microphone that's like literally in my mouth, full of cat hairs that are sticking to my lipstick all the time. And I have to manage a position with real money. You know, like rant. No, I'm just trying to explain. I want him to understand. I want Philip to understand correctly how serious this is. Like, this is my hard earned real money that I'm putting on the line here every single day. And I'm doing it successfully. And I want you guys to do the same, but you have to learn how I think and how I look at the charts. And that's the only way you can do that, is by learning. That's why I made the course. I never wanted to do a course. You guys were begging me. Do you remember? I forgot who sent me like the huge essay. Hold on, I have to watch here. The huge essay on you know, on why I should make the course and blah blah blah. You know, and I doesn't matter. I don't want to get into this. Whatever. But anyways, I hope Philip understands. And, you know, the alpha and the valuable insights that I'm giving you guys, that I'm teaching you, nobody's going to do that. Like, there's people that are charging $10,000 for what I'm showing you every day on the charts. Do you understand that? Like a minimum of 10 grand. Nobody's doing what I do. I literally am giving you stuff for free because I don't care. I can do this. I can do it every day. You know? I'm not here to... How many courses? Like, since I opened the website, I have only 1 subscription, dude. Here. Are we missing the short here? Let me watch. Only 1 subscription. People are like, oh my God, you make money from selling courses. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? No. You're welcome, Philip. There is no such thing. Oh yeah, damn it. Within the round here, we might have missed the short, but let's see. I don't wanna start immediately right now. I don't wanna get into it, but need to wait a little bit more for market to open. I don't believe it yet. I don't believe it. I don't want to believe it yet. Give us entry and exits. Like, there's no way I'm gonna do that, dude. You cannot manage a position the way I do. Like, there is no way. I have no idea how you would. Do you even know risk management? Like, how How is that? It's not how it works. Oh man. Too early, too early. I'm sure even if I was short up here, I'd probably regret it by now. Too early. We wait a little bit more. You've gone red. No, I'm not red at all. I'm trying to explain, like, and do I look upset? No, I'm not upset at all. I honestly couldn't care less. I just like try to explain it in the best way possible. Hold on, dude. All right, we're holding. Do you have any other business or only trading? I used to, and I didn't do very well because my time was just preoccupied with the charts, and so no, definitely not. I feel like you do best if you are kind of committed to trading. Like if you're doing something else with trading, it's very hard. So a lot of people are like, hey, like I want to work and trade at the same time. Well, you should do it, like for sure, up until, you know, save capital to trade with, until you can afford to have enough money to trade with. You should definitely do it. That's what I did. Try going into pet accessories. Oh my god, yes, I've been thinking about that. Yeah, Samurai J, that's true. I've been thinking about that. It's just everything takes a lot of time, and I don't have a lot of time. A lip hair remover. It would be so funny if I do that. It would be so fun, but that takes time, right? And I'm like so busy with, I've put it in myself, like I want to grow my YouTube channel. I want to prove everyone wrong with their stupid channels, that they mean nothing. So that's kind of like the thing that I want to do now. I just want to grow my channel. This is still holding. Let's see. Very difficult. 508. Damn it, dude. We have 20 more minutes. Ugh, this is gonna be ugly. So anyone that goes long and short here, they're probably gonna be taken out. I have daily drops and trading in the same time, but it's very hard. It is very hard, Villain. I agree. It is super hard to work and trade at the same time. I've done it. I've had problems with it, so I understand completely. You know, there was these guys that I paid to learn from years ago, and they were like, oh, you're gonna be like, they had British accents, oh, you only need 2 hours a day, blah blah blah, because they were like targeting people that were working, because obviously everyone works, you know. And I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be like, you know. And their strategy was like Euro USD. What was it? Dude, I don't remember. Euro USD, like 7 a.m. or something. That was it 7 a.m. like London time? That price returns to like the London Open or whatever, something like that. It was very silly, but you could have never like the trade would have happened like once in a month, once. Like it was just so stupid. And then like all these people that were just, you know, talking about price action, and you pay and you get all of these like coaches that are talking to you about, like, I can take Villain right now and Philip, you know, and Stanimir, and be like, okay, talk to me about, you know, candles going up and down, and everyone's gonna be like ready to go. Yeah, you can set alerts. Setting alerts work, honestly. Like For example, see this trade, there was no way I could have taken it because I would have been asleep here, but I had a limit order, and so that's how I'm in this one. So it could work. So for example, alert for silver down at the 83.9 level, long, obviously with a stop loss, could have worked as well. Lots of things could have worked. Oracle trade from our buy level as well, generational, you know, all these things. All these things. So it is possible. It just kind of depends whether you want to be a swing trader or you know, a day trader. If you're able to extract from the markets to start with, that's what's important. I honestly don't understand why people would expect for someone to come on YouTube and give them like a stop loss entry and everything and stuff like that. I just don't understand. Why would I do that? Why would I? What is my gain from that? Like, why would I do that? Why would anyone do that? Hello, Savas. Okay, cool. Lots of weird highs here. Lots of weird highs. Still holding though, still holding. At the breaker block that we were looking at here. Literally in the car. Like, everyone loves to be in a car and watch me. That's so funny. While having a break or something. Yes, hit the like button, everyone. So glad that we have like such a nice group of people, and new people are also coming in, but only the good ones. Like, even on Discord, I don't care. Like, everyone says good morning every day. It's so nice. It's lovely. We don't have like anyone that's annoying. And if only one person annoys us, like, I'll just kick them out. Oh, lunch. Oh, you're making me hungry. What should I have for dinner? What should I have for dinner? Consolidation before New York comes in and decides what is their move with the unemployment claims that we got. I mean, nothing shocking. 213. Like, pretty much this week everything is like semi in line with expectation. Pokeball, yeah, not a bad shout actually. Not a bad shout. Pokeball. I had a salad bowl last night with chicken. It was very nice. I'm pretty sure I have some more in the fridge. The range is getting tight. Which way is it gonna break out from? Gabby, do you cook? No. I mean, I know how to cook. I'm very good, but I don't have time to do it. Plus, I kind of hate my kitchen right now, to tell you the truth. There is no light in my kitchen. Like, I mean, natural light. So it feels a little claustrophobic. I mean, all of these highs, how are they not? They must be a target today. That would mean neglecting the charts. Yes, exactly. I would never do such a thing. I would never do such a thing. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. Disgusting price action, very difficult. Oh, really? Don't believe you for 1 second. Lots of people are gonna get caught up in positions here, I feel, right now. $15 more minutes. Yes, the charts are talking to me and appreciating me for sure. Dottie, what are you looking at in terms of charts? Damn it. Downside exit here. I do want to have a head short though. I should have done that up here potentially. But let's wait a little bit more. Too many stacked highs here. No liquidity grab before the drop. Year long. From what level? Ouch. Should have shorted here maybe. Let's hope not. Let's hope not. Yeah. I think he not long ago he started a new job, didn't he? Everyone, make sure to like the video. I think he just got in like a really nice office with like sauna in the office and stuff like that. The 10-minute is really worrying me here, I'm not gonna lie. So we better get some motion. We better hold. He's being cautious. So is that what he said? Yeah, I mean, it only makes sense. Like if you have to position yourself right now, it looks a bit difficult. It looks a bit difficult. It does. What is wrong with this 10-minute candle? What do you want? 10-minute candle. Hold demand, hold demand. Hold it. This is not gonna be easy. Bitcoin's also dropping a little bit. Silver as well. At least you have some liquidity grab on silver. You have nothing on gold. So some divergence there. Let's see, they might hold the level, I don't know. We should be opening the next 10-minute in a second. Don't like it, don't like it. Don't like it. Because I did not hedge. I do not like it. But we should get a reaction here for sure. Because that was the last demand was down here. So we're definitely, yeah, here it is. You see these two candles? That's the reaction. So let's see if it's gonna hold. And there is no point me longing because I already have 2 longs going. So, but that's fine. And I also want the market to open. 4-hour chart, Gala 80 on what, gold or Bitcoin? Let me know. Some weakness here. I do not like it. I do not like it. Gold. Hold on, dude. Hold on. I need to watch that. 1 second. Let's hope it's a pre-market manipulation. The 4-hourly, this is the current leg on the 4-hourly, so it's a bullish leg. This one. Rejection from the 0.5. It should resolve bullishly. Let's hope. Let's look at the sweeps on the 4-hour. Bearish, not good. Not good. I don't like this. I don't like this. Only the 15-second gave a clue, but I wasn't watching the 15 seconds. So now we're retracing some of my profits and I'm pissed. Let's see what New York is gonna do. At lunch, now you have my full attention. Yes. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe they're gonna turn it around here at the extreme of this last bullish leg that we're retracing kind of like the whole way, dude. Why? Stop it. Thanks for the explanation. How do you buy the indicators? Could you also share how you use them? I've watched many YouTube videos but still find it hard to apply the concepts. So there is a video on YouTube on the indicators on my channel. I think it's literally the first video that I made on the trading indicators. If you go in my video history, so you can find it over there. And again, just go to gabbytrades.com, click indicator bundle, get the bundle, go on WAP and follow the instructions, and connect your trading view with WAP, and then you'll have access to the indicators in the invite only section. Okay, and of course, very important to watch the live streams, because that's where I also discuss the indicators every day. Stop it. This is annoying. There you go, week high. Thanks, gold. Thank you very much for eating away in my profits. Thank you. That's lovely. Hopefully we get a reaction in this range. I'm gonna be so pissed. I'm gonna be so pissed I didn't hedge here. That's fine though. Seven minutes to market open. Manipulation is real. It is so real right now. Dory, I hope you're not watching from the job center. No, he's not. I told you, he has a new job right now with like a sauna and gym and all the nice stuff. Weak, very weak, very weak. Do not like it. Do not like it one bit. In fact, I hate it. Sure, I watched the video and followed person. What's your daily life timing, by the way? Do you trade gold? Anything else like BTC? Yeah, I do trade Bitcoin. Mano, I think what's best for you to do is join Discord. So first, get in the free Discord community, join free Discord, get your VIP role. You can register on Bluffin with the link. That's once you're in Discord, you'll get the link. And when you come on Discord, we can talk, because I'm available on Discord and I can tell you everything about the indicators, answer any questions you have. And also the community that has them, all the people, they can also help you answer any of your questions. So I think best thing is first come on Discord, join it, claim your VIP role, and then we can help you with all the indicators, and you're gonna get also the daily updates for Bitcoin, etc. So I think that's the first thing you should do. All right, so good reaction here from the 15-minute SR. Not bad. We have 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We currently opened the new 5-minute candle. We're not looking very strong at the moment. Not at all. At all. Like any shape and form. Like unless we come and we retrace this whole move, this is still bearish, which I don't like. So Let's see. Reacting bearishly, like even on the 15 seconds. I don't know, dude. I don't know. It's not looking very fresh. But all these highs up here, are you kidding me? Like, why are you leaving so much liquidity to the upside? Like, what's the plan here? If we're gonna be long here, is it gonna be from 5.153? Potentially. Let's see. Nothing of a strong reversal pattern that I can observe here. I don't see it. I don't see it. But let's hope it reverses for the sake of my trades. 4 minutes to the opening. Is 1K actually gonna make any difference? Really? Probably not. So it's just gonna go whichever way it wants. I'm getting nervous. Yeah. Did everyone like the video, by the way? How many likes do we have? Actually, I can check.
Are you a trader?
We're getting out.
Trading capital.
24. We need 3 more likes. Very weak. We can't beat the sell wall up here. First of all, I haven't decided if I'm gonna do it yet, but it's just one of the zones that I use with the RTM model, because this is how I trade using the RTM model theory. Again, gabbytrades.com. That's a monthly membership if you want to have access to all the learning materials that I've created for you guys. These are just zones of interest according to my model. So it could be, it could not, you know? There's just a level to watch at this point. All right, Wall Street is joining. Wall Street is entering the chat in literally 2 minutes. Let's see if they can make something with the sell wall up here. Or we're going to continuously reject from it. The prediction on my trading platform is 5135. What? For what it's worth? 5. Why am I getting meme coins telegrams here? I thought I'm not. 5135. Yeah, that's liquidity at the moment. The low down here at 5125. So that's my problem with this. I wanted to recover fast, or I'm pretty much screwed on this trade because I didn't hedge short here, because pre-market, all of these highs just makes 0 sense. I guess huge manipulation at the moment. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. 1 minute. I don't see them pushing it higher. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. This is not a proper reversal pattern for me. I don't see it. Here it is. Wall Street entered the chat. What is the virtue? Are we gonna take the longs here? The early longs? Do you want to snipe them? Do you need liquidity to go up? Let me know. It is very slow, yeah. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, we should have some sounds here for the live stream, like bells and stuff like that. I want to have that. but I could just never find where I can get these things. And since I want like the perfect sound, that means that I'm gonna listen to probably 15,000 ding ding dings before I decide which ding 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 are we gonna use for our stream. So that's why it takes me a lot of time to do things, because I want them done like specific way, you know. And really? Wall Street? What are you doing right now? I don't see it. They should take the lows. Like, I don't... Just do it already, please. Oh, so annoying, dude. But there is no way I would have entered short here in that range. Like, you can't see me do that. Oh, you're just squeezing me at the moment. Pretty nastily. Squeezing my profits. Things like, even if I want to go long, it's a risk for me now because the liquidity is below. So it's really, really, really annoying situation. Where is the volatility? What happened to the markets? Are they waiting for PCE tomorrow, maybe? I wonder what the PCE is gonna come. What are we expecting? 0.4. Looking at the PCE, imagine if the PCE comes as well as expected. That'll be just the cherry on the top for this week. Dude, what are we doing? A $5 candle. Are you kidding me right now? Oh man, I'm so glad I'm positioned a little bit earlier because this is just stupid. Also are better than BTC. What? What do you mean? Definitely not. Altcoins are like dog S right now. All right, so we have how many people live? 30. How many likes do we have? I don't know, but we have to have at least 31 likes at the very minimum right now, you guys. And I want every single one of you to be registered on a Gabby Trades website and come in the free Discord in the VIP community to chat with us and to get the daily updates every day. They're squeezing my long so bad right now. This low is super sus. Squeezing my profits. Come on, Wall Street. You know you want 5,200. You know you want it. It's not gonna be one of those like amazing days, is it? Look at that on the 15 seconds. Look at that. Horrid. Chase it, break it. Break all of that, please. %40 down on the profits here on this trade. That's annoying. Hi, Insider Club. Hello. Damon XRP is king. XRP looks like... I don't want to say what right now. I don't want to say it out loud. But it's probably king for now. It's the king of the garbage. Gold up or down. So we have liquidity both ways at the moment. A lot of liquidity, obviously to the upside, up at like 5,238. The problem is that 5,125 is also, you know, a potential target at the moment. We have a drop here from this reach up to the area of resistance at 5191, from which we dropped. We made a higher low, and now we're just selling off, and they're eating in my profits, and I'm pissed because I didn't take a short in this disgusting range. Who would have done that? Pre-market. Like, come on now. Just take the low and, you know, get it down here to 5153 and send it higher, please, because I cannot stand it. Yes, of course. You can believe, but at the moment the chart is not giving any hopium. That's the problem. Like, even BTC and Ethereum look way better than XRP at the moment. Let's see. On a higher time frame, honestly, using the RTM model, XRP is at a very good level historically, like at a very, very good level that was reached weeks ago, even not like this week or within this current range or whatever. So it was indeed. We can look at it real quick. I can show you what I'm talking about. Is this one 1.15? So that's a very good level. It is a very good level for XRP, like a very, very, that's a higher time frame analysis. If this is real, if this holds, you're talking $3, like obviously in a very positive market environment. You have to go level by level. Like at least you need to you know, at least at the very least you need to start trading above what are we talking about here? Yeah, 1.77 is going to be the first one. You know, you want to beat 1.77. You don't want to be bearishly reacting here like this wick up here. Problem. It's a problem. So yeah, gold's being really annoying right now, but let's hope they're gonna grab that liquidity. They're gonna exit away from the sell wall up here and you know, then work their way up. I hope so, because that's what I want to see. Any news? Oh, you're welcome, Damon. Sagar, where are you from? I'm from Bulgaria. I'm a proud Balkan. Very weak. I don't like it. Kicks back. Get serious. I really don't like it, you guys. It's eating away in my profits, but I'm not gonna close it. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it even if it grabs liquidity here at the 10 minutes, which will be very unfortunate. Disgustingly weak. Gold steadies as traders weigh energy prices and rate cut bets. There's no rate cut bets. Nothing's gonna happen. The rate cut bets are like almost 100%. That's nothing's gonna happen. So there's no bets. It's decided. We can take the sell side. Yeah, 5154. 5154. Let me have a look. 5154. Let's see. We're probably gonna retest. Like I'm so upset I'm not hedged here, but there was how? I mean, up here, okay, yes, there is an argument, but like here, you can potentially make an argument, but not pre-market. Not pre-market. Guys, I don't even know about this. Trader Hormuz is very problematic at the moment. And I don't know which headlines to believe anymore because they're all saying different things. Oh, great. We should get a potential reaction maybe from here. Let's just hope that we recover here. That's going to be important, but how slow is that? I mean, similar situation like yesterday, you wait a lot before you get a trade, but so much liquidity left behind, dude, so much. What are you guys doing? Dory's falling asleep. I know. Please don't fall asleep. Smack yourself in the face. Wake up. We gotta be locked in right now. Now or never. Friday, I doubt something's gonna come on Friday, so it's pretty much like today. And that's it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna hold the 5K long over the weekend one more time. Paying weekend fees. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I might close it. So I wanted to run a little bit more, so I can collect my profits for my hard work today and the past days. Dude, how annoying. %50 of the profits eaten, digested. This was not a bad area to scalp it, actually. Yeah, not bad at all. It kind of reached where it was supposed to, really. Let's see. I don't like the low though. The low that's created is not very nice. Not very convincing on the demand side at all. Sanmer is on the it's on the sports betting. Yeah, definitely. This looks anything but great right now. Like anything but great. Patience, patience. Patience, patience. Let's see, I tapped in here. Maybe a little prematurely. Very small size, just to test the area. 515507. 515507. Not good, not good, not good. I don't like the lows here. I do not. Bearish retesting the 1 minute. Dude, what are you doing? Come on, push it. All right, we're moving. Move faster, please. No, I don't like this. I don't like it. That's not bullish at all. Weak. Yes, he is the OG sports bettor. Very weak. You're gonna eat away even more in my profits? I don't like it. Recover, recover, recover. Recover. No. Come on, you can do it. Good. Sort of, kind of out of the woods. Definitely out of the woods. Now let's see if they're actually gonna do something with this. or it's just gonna be a miserable reaction. That's a bearish reaction here, so I'm gonna keep my finger on the trigger because I don't want to get in drawdown again. We need a push here. We don't need a reaction from supply. We need a push. I'm giving you a second chance before I exit. Very weak, dude, very weak. Too bearish. They're probably gonna take the low here. Let's see. Not a good reaction at all. I don't want to hold it actually, but since it's a very small size, I can afford to do that, but I need to see the candle properly. Still in drawdown. Entry was at 515507. 515507. So we're pretty far from entry actually. Nothing's giving hopium at the moment. I'm just literally killing myself right now. Eating even more in my profits at the moment. horrid sell. I don't want to close it because it's probably going to be a reactionary. But there were so many reactionaries that didn't hold. So just show some strength. Come on. Too many bearish candles. The loss of like 5160 should have been the first red flag, really. Yes, get me out of the woods, please. Get me out of the woods. Yes, go on, you can do it. So weak, dude. Oh my god. Just show some strength. Come on. Okay. That's not too bad. I mean, it is an area, like it's not an exact, but it should have reacted way better than this. To be fair, the 15-minute hasn't closed yet, so the 15-minute, if it reverses, it's probably going to be a good signal. If it doesn't, that means it's going to go to 5139. And then it has liquidity below, so it's getting a bit too uncomfortable at this point. I just wanted to give me like a little bit better exit on here. I gave it too many chances, that's my bad, but they shouldn't be reacting like this from here. Giving me really not much choice left. All right, 1 minute to the next 15-minute candle. Let's see if they're gonna close it above. That's good. Almost out of the woods. Almost out of the woods. Bearishly retesting it. Yeah, come on, dude. Come on. Too much sellers in control in this little tiny range at the moment. I closed it though. I can't wait for it anymore, so it's fine. Yes, feel free to run it up now. Feel free, because I closed it. Here it is, our break even. But my break even. It's fine though, it was very small size, but they shouldn't have closed it. It's okay, just recover the other long, please. That's more like it. It looks a little bit better now. It looks a little bit better. Actually, here with the drop, this was actually a good entry. Why didn't I see that? RTM students, you can see that down here. I was just too in the zone. It's okay. It's fine. Let's see. But down here, we have, I think, Tommy, who's on the RTM. They know like why this is good. On the 1 minute after liquidity. Yeah, that's fine. As long as we make profits on, I make profits on the other long, that's good. Cheeky bastardos, look at what happened. Recovered from the zone. Honestly, I must say my fingers were way too close on the close button, and I kind of pressed it. I was like, whatever. But it's fine. But yeah, all good, all good. Let's see if they're going to bearishly retest this breakdown here, or they will recover. Some demands coming up here, which is good. Pretty solid. Very solid. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's not entirely out of the woods yet. That's the problem. That's the problem. They might be just feeling a little bit out of this drop and then just a continuation. That's also possible. But for now, it looks okay. Like 3 minutes looks fine. 1 minute looks fine. 5 minute, not yet. Because we have lots of bearishness that, you know, lots of supply that they could just retest and then reject once more. So 5 minute is not gonna be, but like, yeah, this is pretty much the area down here. And the 1 minute confirmation was here. Tommy, you know, RTM, right? So in this range down here, this is what we teach, but I was just not focused on it enough to see what's happening. And the entry was here with this candle, so that was it. And instead of going more long, I closed it because I wasn't comfortable with the drawdown. But that's okay. That's fine. To be honest, I did kind of close it by mistake because my finger was way too close. But I was focused on the wrong thing. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, 5 minute is not looking good yet. RTM, again, you'd probably know why. But you know, lots of flat highs here. They might reverse it. 3 minutes, it's looking fine. 1 minute's looking fine. Coming from the area that we wanted to come from. Now we kind of wanted to beat this 10-minute area, 5163. What does RTM stand for? Range model theory. It's the model that I trade with. It's kind of a name that I came up with because I always call it that. See, still bearishly reacting though to the supply up here, so let's see. Holding demand at the same time. Let's see. It's looking fine. Like if I had the long here, I would definitely hold here. But I was a bit dumb, which is fine. I do that every time, so. The bearish formation at resistance though is kind of strong. We also have liquidity down here on the 10 minutes. It's just very unpleasant price action today, but it's fine. I'm still in profit, which is good. Yeah, risk management is absolutely fine. Like down here, honestly, like even when I was in a drawdown, like I'm gonna tell you, honestly, I was in a drawdown like literally $10 or something like that. But for me, it's not like I'm just looking at the trade, you know. I prefer the sniper entries because I just entered like 0.01 because I already have a position here. So no, yeah, definitely not. I can see that. I can see that. I just hope we retrace because there's so much liquidity up here. Like, what are they doing? Like, please hold it up here, take the liquidity, because if they start bringing it down, I wouldn't be happy with that. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. 5117, but I wouldn't put a limit once more, to be fair. Probably I'll be looking for lower then if that happens. I'll be probably looking for lower, something around, again, 5,006-7 if they start dropping it. But then we're getting into Friday, so I'm just gonna be like just wary. They don't want to reverse it yet. Yeah, bit of a, you know, it looks like not much of a move at all, but it ate in my profits. So, but I'll be happy if they reverse it, take that liquidity. So much more liquidity to the upside. Like, why would they be even interested down here? Like, probably collecting for some steam to the upside, but let's see. Let's see. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin, actually. All right, see you, Dottie. Hope you have a great rest of your day at work. Bitcoin's terrible, dude. Like, look at the like 1 hourly. What was it? Look at 4 hourly. Still holding above the SR, so not bad. But daily looks terrible. Look at that doji. It's so bad. Oh, you got stopped out on BTC. That's so annoying. Oh, I just want to collect profits. That's all I want. Gold. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, sorry guys, that's annoying. Yeah, I'm not particularly having a blast either at the moment with this reversal. Retest here and a continuation would maintain the 3-minute bullish bias, but too weak. Look, it's not even doing it. It's not even doing that. Come on, do it, do it, do it. There's not much really I'm gonna do here actually, so I'm gonna leave you guys. Make sure to join Discord. If you're new here, you can join the free Discord just by clicking on the button registering. Get on Discord and then claim your VIP role. It's super easy to do. The instructions are on Discord. But yeah, gabbytrades.com is everything you need, all the information. And gold is weak at the moment and it's making me nervous, and there's no point of just watching it. So I'm just gonna let it play out, see how it happens, and then I'll come back and decide on what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna send it on Discord as well. So I'll see you guys around on Discord, right? We don't have a stream tomorrow, but I'll definitely see you on Discord. Thank you for being here. I'll see you later on.